Hey guys, welcome back, and hello if you are new here. My name is Michelle. I create beauty, makeup content on this channel. So if you're a beauty lover like myself, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button as well. It really helps me out. Really appreciate it. And you know what? Today I'm just gonna jump right into it, and we're gonna be doing our brows, and we're gonna be testing out a new product that I found from Walmart. I just saw Trend Mood post it, so I got so excited when I found it at my Walmart. So let's just go ahead and jump right into today's video. I'm not 100% sure if this brand is new to Walmart, but I noticed it this weekend when I was shopping in the stores, and I was like, ooh, I remember Trend Mood posting about this, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. I was very tempted to buy like the whole product line, but it was a little bit more on the pricier side of drugstore. I think their foundation was around like $14. So I'm holding off on that, but I decided to pick up this brand. This is Uoma. I really hope I'm saying that right. Uoma. Am I saying that right? I don't know. But this is their brow pencil. This is like their one and done. So it's here on the packaging. One and done brow styler. I'm just gonna read what it says on like the back, just to give you like a definition of like what this product is supposed to do. It says a fluffy and defined brows in a snap. Yes, please. This smudge-proof, waterproof duo styler includes a precision pencil to deliver hair-like strokes with a buildable payoff and a long-lasting strong hold set in Go Brow Gel. So essentially this is an eyebrow pencil and an eyebrow gel to like set your eyebrows. So when I saw it, I was like, ooh, I want to give it a try. I've never seen something like that at the drugstore. I believe some high-end products have that, but I've never seen it at the drugstore. So this I think costed like $8, which is pretty affordable. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Pretty like fat pencil. I don't think I have like an eyebrow pencil nearby, but like usually like they're thin. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. That's like a thin, it's more on the thinner side of a pencil. Ooh, and then this is the brow gel. It just smells like plastic, in case you're wondering. But this is a tiny brush. I got the shade 08, which I believe was like a black brown or a soft brown. I don't remember exactly what the shade is, because unfortunately it does not say it anywhere on the packaging. But my hair is black, so I picked up the darkest shade that they had available at my Walmart. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I'm not gonna talk through how I'm gonna fill my brows. I'm just gonna show, this is kind of gonna be like a speed review. First of all, before we start off, no judgment here, you guys. I know I need to get my brows done. They're hairy. I try to cover them up with some concealer. You know, your girl's just looking rough. Let's not judge me, please. Thank you so much. Besides that, let's go ahead and get started on the brows. So what I like to do is I like to just fluff out my brows, like brush it out, especially because I did foundation, making sure they're kind of like more clean. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the pencil side, and I'm just gonna outline my brows. Okay, so far, like first impression, this pencil is actually very creamy and just like glides onto the brows really well. So I have one brow done, one brow not done. Like I said, this eyebrow pencil is actually very creamy, and I feel like it just easily fills in the brow, easily outlines it. Like I don't have to like press down too hard, and I think this color is perfect for me if you have dark hair like me. The only thing is, since it doesn't have a spoolie, I do need to go in with like another clean spoolie and just like brush it out. This is just my personal preference, how I like to do my brows. I'm actually gonna go in with the gel side now. So that's the pink side that they have, the little tube. And I'm actually gonna just stroke this through my eyebrow hair. Do you guys see that? I lost all control. Why? That never has that ever happened to me. Like I just got a little too excited. I don't know. Well, it wipes off easily, so I guess that's a good thing in this case. Alright, so my brows are done. This brow has been setting for probably like a good 5 minutes, I would say. Let me see if it's dry. It feels a little bit wet, a little like tacky. Apply some pressure. Okay, so these brows definitely are like a hairspray. Like that brow gel is like a hairspray brow gel type thing. Like it makes your eyebrows hard. So if you're not into that, then you might not like this gel. But if you are like somebody who like needs their brows to stay on, put in place, they are not gonna go anywhere, then you're gonna love this brow gel. The pencil side, I really enjoyed. Like I love how creamy it was. I love how easy it was to just like flick in brow hairs and fill in the brows. And you guys saw like I made a little mistake right here and it was easy just to like wipe up and clean. But the brow gel really like that, you really need that to like set the brows and make it like smudge proof. I don't think this brow is gonna be going anywhere. I think she's gonna be saying put. So all in all, I'm happy I bought this. I'm happy I found it in stores. My Walmart was pretty light on the brand. Like there was bare minimum there. So I don't know if this brand is popular or what, if you guys want to see more products reviews like this, but this gets a seal of approval from me. I'm actually really liking this. This may replace my other brow products. I'm sorry, ColourPop and e.l.f., but this is actually pretty good for the price. Like if I were to travel, I'll definitely be bringing like this brow pencil instead of like my brow pencil and my brow gel. This is like one and done. That's what they say. And it truly is one and done. Like this is just throw in the bag, you're good to go. All right, you guys, so that about wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this like quick little speed review. I personally never tried anything from this brand, so I'm pretty happy that I found it at my Walmart. And let me know if you guys want me to do more like quick speed reviews, whether it's on this brand or any other drugstore brands. I would love to do that because I have a makeup addiction and I'm probably gonna buy products regardless. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. And also don't forget to subscribe so you guys get notified every single time I upload. And as always, before signing off, I want to leave you with this. You are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. Bye.